Round one. Fight.
Move it now.
Pick up 9.
Ma'am, is this the first time you did this?
I tell you already. Now.
She's 11. I just got my new shirt today. Yeah, nice. The Whisperers, eh?
We team already.
Spider played today. I remember the play. We played. Yeah, she beat me. She had a beer. All within like a half hour. Hey, could you show you good at drunk? Yeah. Oh, that's fast. So
Còn đấy nhé. Mày.
you're 100 pounds and you take 4 pounds. This is just a few.
Oh, you started hard.
Nothing last night.
I don't even remember what color I am.
Yeah.
You know, like,
I remember. Yeah. Nên.
so close. Right. Oh,
Hey.
I thought he was going to side.
She played good.
I plan on kicking her. Shot, Dave.
Oh, there go. No.
I got 3.
There.
Oh,
No.
I'm in no rush. I'm chilling.
8, 9.
I said to her, I said, hey, I'm here. Like, I'm going
Up at 9. Oh. Good job.
You win.
Tune in tomorrow for our next exciting game on Team